Hey everybody, Mrs. Bianchi. We're looking at number 5. The dot plot shows the number of minutes students spend reading a short story. Choose the statements that are true, and we have to select all that apply. All right, so I think the most challenging choice out of all of these is the idea of the median. So I want to start with that because they're suggesting here that 28 minutes is the median, and a lot of folks forget how to find the median. Now remember, the median is the number that's in the middle when the data set is ordered from least to greatest. So in order to calculate the median, if you're using a dot plot, you need to count how many values there are. So if we count these up, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 data points. Let's write that down. 28 data points. Now, to find the median, you need to find what I call the midpoint of the data. And how do you do that? You divide your total number of data points divided by 2 to split the data in half. So 28 divided by 2 would give us a midpoint of 14. I'll just put MP for midpoint. Now what we have to do is we have to count 14 data points from the low end and 14 data points from the high end to find where the middle is. So I'm going to use red to go from the low end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to count 14 in from the high end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, what would be the midway point? I'm just going to use this yellow line here. It would be in between this one that I crossed out in blue and the one that I crossed out in red. And what value does that represent? Because that would be the median. Is that true? Is 28 the median? Is that the number that's going to be in the middle? All right, so let's look at some of the others that you might find a little bit confusing. So let me erase all of this so we can see the data points again. And let's look at mode. Now, just a quick reminder, what's the mode? The mode is the number that occurs most often. Recall that there can be more than one mode, and you can have it where there is no mode. So do we have that one value that is occurring? Is 30 occurring more than the rest? Because if you're saying that it is, then you're going to go ahead and pick that. 20 minutes is the least amount of time spent reading. Is that true? Is this the lowest number? Data was collected on 28 students. So is that what we said we had for a number of data points? 5 students read for 29 minutes. So here's 29 minutes. Do we have 5 dots here? Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm counting 6. 2 students read for 25 minutes. Is that true? Do we have 2 dots here? And we already talked about this one. 30 minutes read is an outlier. Now remember, an outlier is a number that seems way off from the rest. It's much different than the other data points. And there is a gap between 21 and 25. So let's kind of look at 21 and 25. Do we have a gap there? A gap, remember, means no data in that part of the data set. So I'm seeing that we have some data in there. All right, so good luck finishing that up. Hopefully this video was helpful for you.